Hold on to all of the memories, everything we've been through. Hoping the day I come back here, you're gonna be there too. And I'm watching you leave this place. You come and you go like the ocean wave. But I'm keeping you on my mind, 'cause all of the memories that make me smile. Hold on, I'm drowning in feelings I can't seem to hold back. Hold on, I'm craving for you, craving for you. Hold on, I feel like a wave in the storm on the ocean. Hold on tight, 'cause I'm crashing into you. Hold on, I'm drowning in feelings I can't seem to hold back. Hold on, I'm craving for you, craving for you. Hold on, I feel like a wave in the storm on the ocean. Hold on tight, 'cause I'm crashing into you. Losing myself in the sunset, thinking about you and I. Seeing the place where we both met, wishing that you stopped by. Turning away from the seaside, I can't believe my eyes. Holding my breath for a moment, seeing you by my side. And I'm watching you leave this place. You come and you go like the ocean wave. But I'm keeping you on my mind, 'cause all of the memories that make me smile. Hold on, I'm drowning in feelings I can't seem to hold back. Hold on, I'm craving for you, craving for you. Hold on, I feel like a wave in the storm on the ocean. Hold on tight, 'cause I'm crashing into you. When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight. And that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, when it hurts like this, we hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like